everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know today's video is definitely long overdue because my birthday was May 4th. Today is May 18th. To be honest, the month of May has been really busy for me and it's just been flying by. Like literally it's almost over. But today I'm going to be sharing with you the gifts that I received on my birthday. Obviously I did not ask for any gifts, but I'm definitely thankful for all the gifts that I did receive. Also, I just want to say thank you to everyone that did wish me a happy birthday, whether you know me personally or through social medias. Literally right now I'm so out of breath and tired. It's because I don't feel good. For some reason yesterday I just felt sick during the nighttime and then I woke up like this. I look like a hot mess because I just got back from the mall with one of my best friends. We've been going shopping for school and stuff like that, so I'm exhausted. I'm gonna be showing you guys the 3 items that I picked up at the mall. Also, I received my first ever PR package and I am gonna unbox it for you guys on today's video. But yeah, enough of me rambling, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so the first present that I received was from my grandma, and my grandma got me the Patrick Star times MAC collection. This is literally so pretty. I don't feel like unboxing it, but I'll insert pictures of what the collection looks like. I got the collection in Miso Fleek, so the more dramatic one with that pretty blue, and I'm so thankful for this gift because I literally been eyeing the Patrick Star collection since like it was sneak peek release or whatever. And then my grandma also bought me this shirt for my birthday. I wore it in my Disney vlog. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, I'll have like a card so you guys can click. But she got me this shirt and it just says birthday queen in it. I'm sorry if the coloring or the lighting in today's video is a little bit off. I can't find my cord to plug into my computer so you guys can so I can see myself. So I do apologize from that. But yeah, that's what my grandma got me. My mom pretty much got me a pedicure and we did that together already. And then my mom also got me the MAC Select Cover Up in NC45, and I'm so excited to use this because Patrick definitely does rave about this. And then my mom also got me a facial, but we haven't done that yet. So now on to let's see, I'll do what my boyfriend got me. So the first thing that my boyfriend got me was a surprise to Disney World, and as you guys know, my favorite color is rose gold, so he did get me the Minnie Mouse ears that are rose gold. You guys probably already seen it if you watched my Disney World vlog. I showed what he gifted me. He also did give me flowers. I don't know if you guys can see it in the background, but he got me a bunch of white roses and stuff, like actually on my birthday. And then a few days after, he got me red roses. So he got me 2 sets of roses and they're literally so pretty and they smell so good. The next thing that he gifted me, I'm gonna have to insert a picture, but he did get me another Pandora bracelet charm, and he got me a camera, obviously because I do YouTube and I like taking pictures and I like all of that stuff, and it's literally so cute. It's just a black little camera with a diamond as like the lens. I'll show you guys a picture. I'm so happy because if you didn't know, my boyfriend's the one that got me my Pandora bracelet, and he pretty much builds it and always gets me a charm for whatever the special occasion may be. So the next thing that my boyfriend got me were socks, because your girl loves socks. So he got me these taco socks and it has like a little cat on it. I love tacos, so he got me those and it was actually funny. And then he also found sushi socks, and I love them because your girl loves sushi. So those are like my 2 favorite things. And then he also got me these shorts. They're just blue shorts. It's what I pretty much wore on my birthday as well. And then he also got me the 50 Shades collection, because 50 Shades is seriously my favorite like movie series. It's not just about sex, like it actually has a meaning to it, and I really love the 50 Shades series. So he got me the whole collection and I'm obsessed. I don't know what else to say, but I'm obsessed with these movies. So yeah, that's pretty much what my boyfriend got me. So my boyfriend's parents, they actually got me an Ulta gift card. And of course, the next day that the day I received it, that same night, I placed an order with Ulta. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so I picked up my birthday gift from Ulta, and look at the packaging. It's rose gold. Like, who would have thought the packaging for the birthday gift this month was rose gold, which was my favorite. And it's just a NARS blush, and it just says happy birthday, just what you wished for. And it's literally the NARS Orgasm blush. The next thing that I picked up was the NYX matte bronzer in deep tan. I haven't tried it, and I've been wanting a new bronzer, so I went ahead and picked this one up. The next thing that I picked up was this Milani Baked Blush. I can never find Milani where I live, and not even in Ulta that I have, so I saw these online, and I definitely had to pick it up. I got the Milani Baked Blush in 02 Rose d'Oro. I heard a lot of good things about the baked blushes, so I was like, why not try it out? And my favorite thing that I bought with the gift card that I've literally been wanting ever since it released was the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. You guys, this palette is like $42, and I've been wanting it for the longest because I'm obsessed with my Modern Renaissance by ABH. And when I got that gift card, I already knew what I was gonna buy because this is literally so pretty. It reminds me of a bridal like eyeshadow palette, but it's stunning, it's pretty. I haven't played with this, and I literally got it a few days after my birthday, but I'm gonna have upcoming tutorials using this for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much what I picked up with my Ulta gift card, and it just came with some samples. So yeah, thank you guys for the gift card. Okay. So then, obviously, I went to Sephora, and I got my birthday gift from Sephora. The birthday gift that I got was the Hello Sexy Glam Glow Super Mud Mask and Glow Starter Moisturizer. I like Glam Glow products. The Super Mud is literally my favorite face mask from Glam Glow. Now I'm gonna do what I pretty much gifted myself. So of course I went to Pink. I probably have everything from the Pink store because I'm always shopping there. But the first thing that I got was this cute set. So these are the shorts. They're just lavender, and they lace up on the side, and they just say pink. Super cute, super trendy. And then I also got the matching jacket for it. It's so cute. How do I show this? So it has cutouts on the shoulder, so your shoulder's out, and then it just looks like lavender. It matches the shorts. This is so soft. I can't wait to wear it. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it. And then I went to TJ Maxx today, and I found the Lily lashes for $7. Such a steal. I got the style Havana. Actually, I found 4 of them, but I was with my friends, so we kind of split it. We found 2 Havana, and then London. Was it London, Havana? No, we found 3 Havanas, and then London. And I was gonna buy both of the Havanas, but I just picked one of them. These lashes are literally so nice. I looked it up, and the price of Lily lashes are $30. I wish they had Miami and Mykonos because those are the 2 popular eyelashes. But yeah, those are the 2, or that's the 1 pair of Lily lashes that I picked up. And then I went to Forever 21 because I start school soon, and I was just looking through whatever, and I picked up a pair of just plain basic joggers for school. And then I picked up a long black dress. It kind of stops at like your calf, and I can actually wear it to school, so because the dress code for school is all black. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I picked up from Forever 21. Nothing really. Okay, so pretty much I got my first ever PR package, and it actually came the week of my birthday, so I do consider this a birthday gift. But I did get a PR package from Profusion Cosmetics, so thank you guys for adding me to your PR list. Literally everything came packaged so nicely. I'll insert a clip right now of how everything was packaged because when I got it, I tore right into it. Okay, so I just got a package from Profusion. It's literally packaged so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with the way they packaged it. Everything is literally wrapped so nicely. So I'm so excited to unwrap it. But yeah, now let's just get back on to the video. Okay, wasn't that the cutest packaging ever? So the first thing that I unboxed was the Profusion Mixed Metals Lippies. So it's a matte lip liner, a matte lip cream, and a metal matte lip cream. Oh, metal. Okay, yeah, there's matte and a metal one. And I'm obsessed with the lipstick that came with it. I actually have it in my purse right now, and it's in the shade Cocoa. I love it. I love the formula of it. The next thing that I saw was the highlight and contour. What shade is this? I think this is the only one, but the highlights look stunning. Like, they look so pretty. I actually haven't even swatched any of this. I'll probably do a dedicated video on the Profusion products. And then they also gave me a best friends necklace. And then they gave me a Profusion Cosmetics Day Face Eye and Face Makeup. So it's pretty much a palette, and it looks like that. It's actually so pretty. It's more of cool tones, so that's definitely pushing me out of my comfort zone, which I don't mind at all. I do need to stay away from warm tones. And then they just pretty much got me a bunch of cards about like the products that they did gift me. But that's pretty much what I got for my first ever PR package, and I'm so grateful. Like, I'm excited to use all this makeup. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of my birthday haul. Thank you guys for telling me happy birthday. I'm pretty sure I already said that. I need to go take some medicine and go to sleep right now, because I'm pretty sure I have a fever and I feel hot and sweaty. But if you liked today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as long as what? I'm dumb. Hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time that I upload a new video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!